Stop sending the exact same resume to 50 different jobs and getting 0 replies. Here is how to use free AI to perfectly tailor your resume to any job description in less than 2 minutes. Let us be honest, job hunting can feel like throwing your resume into a black hole. You spend hours applying, only to get an automated rejection email a few days later, or worse, absolute silence. The reason this happens is simple. Most large companies use automated software called applicant tracking systems, or ATS, to scan your resume before a human ever sees it. If your resume does not match the exact keywords in the job description, the computer filters you out. But you do not need to spend hours rewriting your resume for every single job application. Today, you will learn a simple, free AI workflow that does all the heavy lifting for you in seconds. First, let us talk about what you need to get started. You only need 3 things. Your current resume in a text format, the job description of the role you want to apply for, and a free AI tool like ChatGPT, Claude, or Google Gemini. Any of these free tools will work perfectly for this. Go ahead and open your AI tool of choice in a browser tab. Next, we need to feed the AI the right instructions. This is called prompt engineering, but do not let the fancy name scare you. It is just about being specific. You want to tell the AI exactly what its role is. Start by typing this into the chat. You are an expert career coach and professional resume writer. I am going to provide you with my current resume and a job description. Your goal is to analyze both and rewrite my resume bullet points so they perfectly align with the job description. Do you understand? By asking the AI if it understands first, you make sure it is ready to receive the information without getting confused. The AI will reply with a quick yes. Now, it is time to paste your data. In your next message, paste your current resume first. Clearly label it by typing, "Here is my current resume," followed by your text. In the same message, type, "Here is the job description," and paste the job posting text. Before you hit send, add this crucial instruction. Tell the AI to focus on matching key skills, action verbs, and core responsibilities from the job description, but emphasize that it must not invent any fake experience. We want to be highly relevant, but we must always be completely honest. Hit enter, and watch the magic happen. In less than 10 seconds, the AI will generate a tailored version of your resume bullet points. It will automatically swap out generic phrases for the exact keywords the ATS is looking for. For example, if your resume says you managed a team, but the job description asks for leadership and cross-functional collaboration, the AI will seamlessly update your phrasing to match. This brings us to the most important step. You must review the AI's output. Never just copy and paste what the AI gives you without checking it first. Read through the new bullet points. Do they sound natural? Do they accurately reflect your actual experience? If an adjustment feels a little too exaggerated, tone it down. You want to sound like the best version of yourself, not like a robot. If you need to make quick changes, you can even ask the AI to modify its response. For instance, you can type, "Make the bullet points under my last job sound slightly more conversational," or shorten these points to fit on one page. The AI will rewrite them instantly. Once you are happy with the results, copy the text and paste it back into your resume document. Save it as a PDF, and you are ready to apply. This entire process takes less than 2 minutes once you get the hang of it. Instead of sending one generic resume to 50 jobs, you can now send 50 perfectly tailored resumes to 50 jobs in the same amount of time. You will bypass the automated filters, grab the hiring manager's attention, and drastically increase your chances of landing an interview. If you found this quick guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. We share practical, easy-to-follow AI tips every week to help you save time and boost your career. Let me know in the comments if you tried this method and how it worked for you. Thank you so much for watching, and happy job hunting.